There's no locomotive series in the history of North American diesel railroading that has the same cultural and iconic recognition as the EMD F-Unit series. Originally delivered in 1945, the F3 was the third variation in the new line of streamlined car-bodied diesels and was the second most produced in the series. The type became a symbol of American railroading when it was added to the roster of the prestigious Santa Fe Super Chief. Wearing the striking red and silver war bonnet scheme, the locomotives became an icon of the golden age of rail travel, becoming as much of a star on the route as the actors and actresses who frequented it. The reliability of the type ensured that they remained viable as passenger and freight locomotives for years to come, with examples remaining in operation on tourist railroads today. Now you can bring this classic icon of American railroading to your S-Gauge model railroad with ProtoSound 3.0. Featuring an intricately detailed ABS body mounted on a weighted metal chassis, our F3 is built for smooth operation and dependable performance, and comes available in both A and B unit form. Powered by a quiet flywheel-equipped motor, our model displays the same level of performance and realistic speed range that you've come to expect from us, with gearing for precision scale mile-per-hour operation. Just as with all our scale locomotives across our product lines, our S-Gauge F3 has been designed with realistic detail and prototypical dimensions, displaying features such as handrails, grab irons, windshield wipers, and hand-painted crew figures in the cabs of all the A units. From the iconic Santa Fe to the vibrant Jersey Central lines, our F3 is available representing classic railroad paint schemes from across the United States, with each scheme realistically applied, displaying accurately toned colors and fine printed lettering. Prototypical Rule 17 LED lighting comes as a standard feature on all of our F3 models, with lighted number boards and a functioning blinking Mars light on appropriate examples. Both of our A and B units are available either powered or unpowered to allow you to run a realistic consist of 2 or more units in one train. All powered examples feature our revolutionary ProtoSound 3.0 system and both DCS and DCC compatibility. Sounds included consist of realistic prime mover effects, including startup and shutdown effects, a prototypical horn, bell with momentum effect, and crew and radio chatter, including a full stopping sequence.
Hey Bill, we got a red signal up ahead. Dispatch, we have a red signal here. Okay, I'll see what's going on. There's a broken rail up 5 miles from your location. How long will we have to sit here? Could be an hour, who knows? Well, I saw an Al Diner back there. I think I'll go get us some coffee. Won't be too long.
Run this locomotive or any other MTH train with our new DCS smartphone app. All the power of our DCS digital system in the palm of your hand.